Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the fourth session of integration for senior inter students. So in this session also we are going to solve some 2 marks question. So next 2 marks question is question number 44, integration 1 by x plus 5 into square root of x plus 4 into dx. So this type of questions also very important. So this is important question. So in this question let us consider root x plus 4 equal to t. First squaring on both sides. Why? Because here root is there, squaring on both sides we get x plus 4, square root get cancel, t become t square. Now x is equal to t square minus 4, right. Differentiate both sides, differentiate with respect to x. So x differentiation 1, t square differentiation 2t into dt by dx, and 4 differentiation 0. So dx multiply here, dx equal to 2t into dt. In place of dx write 2t into dt, right. 1 by x plus 5, x value is t square minus 4 plus 5, root x plus 4 value t into dx value 2t into dt. Now dt get cancel, 2 right outside, t square plus 1 into dt, 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x, so t into tan inverse of t plus c. Now 2 into tan inverse of, in place of t substitute root x plus 4 plus c. Next 45. Similarly 1 by x plus 3 under root of x plus 2 into dx, x plus 2 into dx, right. Here also let us consider root x plus 2 is equal to t, squaring on both sides it become x plus 2 equal to t square. So same, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So x is equal to t square minus 2, both sides differentiate with respect to x, x become 1, 2t into dt by dx. So here dx is equal to, I am right this side, so right. So both sides differentiate with respect to x, x is equal to 2t into dt by dx. Now dx equal to 2t into dt, right. Substitute here, integration 1 by, in place of x write t square minus 2 plus 3, root x plus 2 is t, dx value into 2t dt. Now tt get cancel, 2 right outside, integration 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. So 2 into tan inverse of t plus c. Now 2 into tan inverse of, in place of t write x plus 2 plus c. 2 into tan inverse of root x plus 2 plus c. So this both questions are important. So practice this too. So this is the 45, right. Next question number 46, integration secant square x by under root of 16 plus tan square x into dx. So let us consider, let tan x is equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. So tan x equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x equal to dt by dx. So secant square x dx is equal to dt, right. In place of secant square x dx write dt, 1 by under root of 16 plus tan x equal to 2, it become t square into dt. So integration 1 by under root of x square plus a square formula, x square plus a square formula, sin h inverse x by a, sin h inverse x by a plus c. Next 47, integration e power 2 log x into dx. So it can simplify it e power log, so it is log n into log x. So n come this side, become log x power n, so log x square into dx. So e power log a base e, it become a, so integration x square into log here base e, so it become e base e into dx. Log e base e1, now we get integration x square into dx. So integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus c. Next 48, integration 2x e power x square into dx. So we have two functions, one is x square, another one is 2x. If x square differentiate, we get 2x. So let us consider, let x square is equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. So x square become 2x, x square differentiation 2x, t become dt by dx. So 2x dx is equal to dt. Right, in place of 2x dx write dt, e power x square value t, e power t into dt, integration of e power t is e power t plus c. So in place of t substitute x square, e power x square plus c. This is 48. Next, so next one, right, next one, question number 49. So integration sin of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into dx. So let us consider tan inverse x equal to t. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. So tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square equal to dt by dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equal to dt. Now integration sin of, so tan inverse x value t, dx by 1 plus x square become dt, sin t into dt, integration of sin x minus cos x, integration sin t minus cos t plus c. So minus cos, in place of t write tan inverse x plus c. So minus cos of tan inverse x plus c. Next, question number 50. Integration cubed root of sin x into cos x into dx. So here sin x differentiation is cos x. So let us consider sin x equal to t. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. So sin x differentiation is cos x equal to dt by dx. So cos x dx is equal to dt. Cos x dx become dt, integration cubed root of t into dt. So integration cubed root of t minus means t power 1 by 3 into dt. So x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1 means 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So t power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. So 4 by 3 become 3 by 4. In place of t write sin x power 4 by 3 plus c. Next, 51. Integration cosecant square x into root cot x into dx. So cot x differentiation is minus cosecant square x. So let us consider, let cot x is equal to t. So both sides differentiate with respect to x. So cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x equal to dt by dx. Now cosecant square x dx is equal to, so minus become this side, it will come that side, So dt become minus dt. So in place of cosecant square x dx plus write minus dt. So next it become integration cosecant square x into root cot x dx is equal to integration under root of t into dt, means minus dt, root t into minus dt. So minus right outside, root t into dt. So integration of root x 2 by 3 x root x. So minus 2 by 3 t root t. In place of t substitute cot x. So cot x into root cot x plus c. So this is 51. Right. Next question number 52. So question number 52, integration secant of tan x into secant square x dx. Right here let us consider, let tan x is equal to t, tan x equal to t. So tan x differentiation is secant square x. So both side differentiate with respect to x, both side differentiate with respect to x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x, it is equal to dt by dx. Now secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now it become secant square x dx become dt. Okay na. So secant of secant t into dt. So integration of secant x, log mod secant x plus tan x. So integration secant t, log mod secant t plus tan t plus c. So in place of t substitute tan x, secant of tan x plus tan of tan x plus c. Next question number 53, integration cosecant square x by a plus b cot x power 5 into dx. So here a is constant. So let us consider a plus b cot x is equal to t. Both side differentiate with respect to x. So a is constant. So differentiation of a is 0. Next b into cot x differentiation minus cosecant square x is equal to dt by dx. So we have cosecant square x dx. Now cosecant square x into dx equal to dt by minus b. So in place of cosecant square x into dx, write dt by minus b. So integration 1 by a plus b cot x t. So it become t power 5 into dt by b. So minus 1 by b into integration 1 by t power 5 into dt minus 1 by b into 1 by x power n. 1 by x power n formula minus 1 by n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 into x power n minus 1, 5 minus 1 power 4 plus c. So minus into minus plus. So we get 1 by 4b into t power 4. In place of t write a plus b cot x power 4 plus c. Next question number 54. So integration 1 by 1 plus sin 2x into dx. So in place of sin 2 theta, write in terms of tan formula. Sin 2a formula in tan, or sin 2x formula in tan x. So integration 1 by 1 plus 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x into dx. So 1 plus tan square x multiply here. So reverse it, it become 1 plus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x plus 2 tan x into dx. So we know that 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. Why? Because 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So 1 plus tan square x written as secant square x. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab form. It can be written as 1 plus tan x whole square into dx. Now tan x differentiation is secant square x. So let us consider 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Let 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Both side differentiate with respect to x. So one differentiation is 0. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. It is equal to dt by dx. Now secant square x dx is equal to dt. So in place of secant square x dx, write dt 1 by 1 plus tan x is equal to t. So it is become 1 by t square into dt. So 1 by x power n formula, minus 1 by n minus 1 into x power n minus 1. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 1, t power also 2 minus 1 1. So minus 1 by t plus c. So it become minus 1 by, in place of t write 1 plus tan x plus c. So minus 1 by 1 plus tan x plus c. So this is the 54th one. Next question number 55. Question number 55. Integration of 1 by root x plus 5 into dx. 1 by under root of x plus 5 into dx. So we have one function. Let us consider root x plus 5 is equal to t, squaring on both sides. Root x plus 5 is equal to t. So squaring on both sides become x plus 5 is equal to t square. Now x is equal to, so x plus 5, in place of x plus 5 write t square. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. So x differentiation 1, 5 differentiation 0, 2t into dt by dx. So t square differentiation is 2t with respect to x. So we can write dt by dx. Now dx is equal to 2t into dt. Now apply here 1 by root x plus 5 value t into dx value is 2t into dt. Now dt get cancelled. 2 into integration of dt. So integration of dx is x, integration of dt is t plus c. 2 into, in place of t write root x plus 5 plus c. So 2 into root x plus 5 plus c. Next question 56. Integration sin cube x. Integration sin cube x. So we don't have a formula of sin square x, sin cube x, sin power 4x, sin power nx like that. But we know the formula of sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta, sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. From this formula we have to find sin cube x value. So minus 4 sin cube would become plus 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Now sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin cube 3x by 4. Now we can write as sin cube x, we can write as 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. So 1 by 4. So into dx. So integration apply both the functions. So first simplify it. 3 sin x by 4 minus sin 3x by 4 into dx. Now integration apply both the functions. We get integration 3 by 4 into integration of sin x dx minus 1 by 4 into integration sin 3x dx. So integration of sin x minus cos x, so 3 by 4 into minus cos x minus 1 by 4 into sin 3x minus cos 3x. Again differentiate 3x, we get 3, write in denominator, plus c, minus 1 by 4 into minus cos 3x by 3 plus c. Now it become minus 3 cos x by 4 plus, minus into minus, plus cos 3x by 4 3 is 12 plus c. So this is our 56th answer. Next question number 57. Integration cos cube x. So 56 is sin cube x, this one cos cube x. So we have the formula of cos 3 theta cos 3x. So sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now here cos 3x is reverse, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So from here we have to find cos cube x value. So 4 cos cube x is equal to cos 3x minus 3 cos x, it become plus 3 cos x. So cos cube x is equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. So in place of cos cube x, you can write cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. So cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4 into dx. So separate the functions. Integration cos 3x by 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 into dx. Now integration apply both the functions. So 1 by 4 into integration cos 3x into dx plus 1 by 4 into integration cos 3x dx plus 3 by 4 into integration cos x dx. So integration cos theta sin theta, so cos 3x is sin 3x. So differentiate 3x, we get 3, write in denominator. Next plus 3 cos x differentiation sin x by 4 plus c. It is sin 3x by 12 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus c. So this is our 57th answer. Right, next question number 58. Integration sin 2x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. Right. So here a plus b cos x is equal to t. So from this b cos x is equal to t minus a. Now cos x is equal to t minus a by b. This is cos x value. Take it as this one, equation 1. So equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to x. So equation 1 both side differentiate with respect to x, we get a differentiation, a is constant 0, b into cos x differentiation minus sin x is equal to dt by dx. So here sin 2x, apply here sin 2 theta formula, we can write as 2 sin x cos x by a plus b cos x whole square into dx. 2 right outside. So we have sin x dx. So sin x dx is equal to dt by minus b. So sin x dx become minus dt by b. In place of cos x, write t minus a by b into t minus a by b cos x value. Sin x dx become dt by minus b by a plus b cos x value t. write t square 2 into, so b into minus b square, so it is t square, it become 1 by t square, so minus b square into t minus a by t square into dt, minus 2 by b square into, so simplify this, t by t square minus a by t square into dt. So apply integration both the functions, we get minus 2 by b square into integration 1 by t into dt minus a into 1 by t square into dt, minus 2 by b square into integration 1 by x, integration 1 by x log x, so here log mod t minus a into minus 1 by t plus c, minus 2 by b square into log of, so t value a plus b cos x plus a by a plus b cos x plus c. So this is our answer. Next question number 59. Next question number 59. Integration 1 by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x into dx. Right, take it as common here, cos square x, take it as common, cos square x, it become 1 by a square into sin square x by cos square x plus 1 into dx. So take it as common here, cos square, so we have here b square. So 1 by cos square x is secant square x by a square tan square x plus b square into dx. Now let us consider tan x is equal to t, both sides differentiate with respect to x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x is equal to dt by dx. So secant square x dx equal to dt. So secant square x dx become dt 1 by a square t square plus b square into dt. So now take it as common, a square 1 by t square plus b square by a square into dt. So take it as common, a square. Now 1 by a square into integration 1 by t square plus b by a whole square into dt. So 1 by a square into integration 1 by x square plus a square, x square plus a square formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. 1 by a means in place of a we have b by a, tan inverse x plus x means t here, t by b by a plus c. So reverse it, 1 by a square into b by a become a by b, tan inverse of a t by b plus c. So when a cancel, we get 1 by ab into tan inverse of a into tan x by b plus c. 1 by, so t value is tan x, t value tan x, so a tan x by b plus c. Right. Next question, integration sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. Right. So let us consider, let a cos square x plus b sin square x equal to t. Right, both sides differentiate with respect to x. right, a into differentiate cos square x. So first this is x power n. So n into x power n minus 1 means 2 cos power 2 minus 1. Again differentiate cos x. It is become minus sin x. So here also sin square x, it is first x power n into x power n minus 1, sin power 2 minus 1 1. Again differentiate sin x, we get cos x equal to dt by dx. So 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, here a into sin 2x, here b into sin 2x equal to dt by dx. So take it as common sin 2x, so we get b minus a equal to dt by dx. So here we have sin 2x into dx, so write sin 2x into dx is equal to dt by b minus a, right, substitute here sin 2x by a cos square x plus b sin square x into dx. Now sin 2x dx become dt by b minus a, so 1 by a cos x square x plus b sin square x value t into dt by b minus a. So 1 by b minus a right outside, 1 by t into dt. So 1 by b minus a integration 1 by x log x. So here log t. 1 by b minus a log of, in place of t substitute our value a cos square x plus b sin square x dx. A cos square x plus b sin square x plus c. So this is our answer. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.